Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and are you always looking for meal options that are faster, but you don't want to compromise on your nutrition? That's why I always love to have a few packs of this Banza mac and cheese in my cupboard at all times. I love how this Banza mac and cheese comes in a couple different flavors and pasta shapes. This one is the shells and white cheddar flavor. It is so creamy and delicious tasting. If you know how to boil water, then you know how to prepare this pasta. It comes together really quickly, and I love how I can customize it by adding a few extra special touches. I find this white cheddar flavor to pair so well with a little bit of sauteed spinach and some sliced up turkey kielbasa. It makes for a great fast dinner for me and my husband that we really enjoy. If you're feeling like me and you're kind of running out of energy, time, and ideas for making meals, well, maybe you should try having a few of these Banza mac and cheese packs in your cupboard. And that's my point of view.